So check it out with their upcoming country's quincentennial celebration. It's got me interested in some of the Lionel bicentennial trains that came out when I was a kid. I was 13 when 1976, so I remember seeing these. I remember the Norfolk and Western locomotive that I picked up earlier, and I remember there was a whole series of cars that came with this Liberty Special. And so I thought I'd start out with just getting the locomotive. I found it for 46 bucks, and it's got really nice paint. The only thing, the horn was broken off, so I replaced that. And I also have a rotating radar car, I guess it is, by K-Line. The little satellite rotates round and round. It's one of those Desert Storm series that they came out with. I'd like to collect some more of those. And I actually, when I bought this one, another eBay seller offered me one for an even better price, so I picked that one up too. And when that arrives, I'll take the better of the two of them and keep it original, and the other one I'm going to paint to go along with my Air Force train. But for now, I put it on behind my Liberty Special here, this little alco, and so I thought we'd take that for a spin. Of course, I've got the revolving Coke car and another Searchlight car by K-Line that revolves, and a kind of a mixed bag of cars that I just have laying around. So here we go. We'll take them for a spin. The locomotive is the one with, it's got traction tires. For as light as it is, it pulls pretty good. The satellite car had some issues where the gears weren't meshing properly. I had to adjust the small inside gear. It had come down on the shaft too far, and so there's too much play. I think K-Line later on put a spring there, and this one doesn't have it, but it must be one of the earlier cars. But if I can find one of those springs, I think Trainz on eBay sells them. But for now, I've got it running pretty good. We'll pick the camera up and we'll follow it around. I really like these rotating cars. There's a really neat idea by K-Line to all the different things that they did. I know there's circus ones, and I've got a couple other Coca-Cola ones and Hershey. So I'd like to collect the whole series of them. And I also have a lighted patriotic caboose. I think this one is Frisco. I had to do a little cleanup on that one. I picked it up for only like $5 though, and the only thing that was missing on it were the rear marker lights there, so I found some of those on eBay, and the paint cleaned up really nice on it. I really like the looks of this engine though. It's really sharp. I really like the Americana stuff anyway. And we'll set the camera back down. Maybe we'll set it a little bit closer. That's a good spot. And the little alco runs and pulls pretty good. I don't think it's had much runtime on it. And hardly any marks in the paint. All right, runs great. I remember there was another one of these that I was bidding on, and I got outbid pretty high. So when I got this one for 46, I was pretty happy. So thanks again for watching. As we await the big storm that's supposed to hit, I figured it's a good time to come down and run some trains. So God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.